In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center an image in Dreamweaver. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable way to center an image horizontally using a simple container and one CSS rule, and you'll understand why it works. First, open your page in Dreamweaver and locate the image you want to center. You can do this in Code View by finding the img tag, or in Live View by clicking the image on the canvas. The key is to wrap that image in a container so you can control its alignment as a group. A container is simply a block-level element that spans the full width available. The simplest choice is a div. If you're in Code View, place a div around your img tag so it looks like a div element containing the image. If you prefer the visual approach, select the image, then use Dreamweaver's Insert panel to add a div, or use the wrap command so the image sits inside it. For clean styling, give this container a class or an ID, like class wash image center, so you can target it with CSS without affecting other elements on the page. Next, add the CSS that will actually center the image. In your style sheet or in the CSS designer panel, create a rule that targets the container you just added. Apply the property text-align center to that container. That's it. This tells the browser to center any inline content inside the container, and images are inline elements by default. Because the container is block level, it stretches across the available width, giving the browser room to center the image perfectly in the middle. Save your changes and preview in Live View or in a browser. You should see the image sitting neatly at the center of its container. If the container is the full width of the page, the image will be centered on the page. If the container is a narrower column, the image will be centered within that column. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. Make sure you're applying text-align, center to the container, not to the image itself. If you've previously styled the image to display as a block, text-align won't affect it. Remove that display override so the centering works as intended. Keeping the CSS on the container also makes it easy to reuse. Any other images placed inside that same container will automatically center without extra work. And that's all you need. Wrap the image in a div, target that div with CSS, and apply text-align. Center for clean, consistent centering in Dreamweaver.